Hey, Bob Carr here with the Bob Carr Show. Returning to the studio today, Mr. Scott. How are you, sir?
I'm good today. How are you, Bob?
Good, doing good. So what you up to?
So, not much. I talked to you last week, or about 2 weeks ago. Got some work done at my mom's house, but we'll bring that up at a different date. We'll drag Mom down here for
bring Mom down here. We'll talk about her drainage system that she wanted.
Yeah, well,
she was after me for a year to get that done, and we knocked it out.
Not wanted, needed. There's a different story.
There you go. There you go.
So what we're going to talk about today is a little bit of charity. A little bit of charity work. Bob loves his charities and helps people out with different things. One thing I know, he sponsored our FOP, signed for our FOP golf tournament last month, which that money went to a separate cause. But today we're going to talk to the county fire department and the county police department have a charity hockey game once a year. So that both organizations put their guys together, fill the benches up, and we have a charity hockey game to support somebody or something. This year's just happened to be for American Liver Foundation is what we did this year, because one of the guys on the team, his mother passed away because of a liver issue. So this year's went to American Liver Foundation. This game was played at the end of August, so it was the county fire department and the county police department playing down at the Piney Orchard down here with the help from the ice arena itself and the Black Bears. So the team from the Black Bears helped out. They ran the doors, collected everything. They did what everybody would help them with during their games. They turned around and donated their time and helped us out during that game.
I didn't know that the fire department and the police department had a hockey team. So
it's only something that's come about for us to each have individual teams. It's probably about 2-3 years old, give or take. And that's not a full-time team. It's not. We only play charity events, or we play a charity team, something like that, just for fun. It's not the house league here or house league there.
Gotcha.
So we just do it as just charity. So I mean, we have a couple more charity games coming up. There's a Wounded Warriors team that we played about a couple weeks ago. And it's all about fun, straight up fun. It's not a competition. It's for us to go out and have time and a good camaraderie between the fire. For us, this game was between the fire department and the police department, and it was good.
But that was a lot of fun too.
We raised $11,000 for the foundation, for the Liver Foundation this year.
That's a good deal.
And last year, I want to say we raised around the same amount for one of our officers. One of his kids had a cancer issue who had passed away, so we donated all that money to that foundation. So it's all about same like everybody else. It's about a charity thing, just being nice and trying to do the right thing.
Right. Plus, it brings a lot of awareness besides the money.
It does. Yeah, we had a packed house. I think they sold almost all the tickets. So all the stands were standing room only. We had our chief there, the fire chief there. So it was a good time. Command staff was there. So it was a good time for everybody just to get along for a good, fun hockey game in the county, of course. So it makes it easy.
I got you. When's your next event coming up?
We'll probably this event will happen again next year around in mid-August, give or take. I can't remember exactly. Once it gets about 3 months out, we'll have an exact date. It basically works around kind of the Black Bear schedule. When can we get a Saturday night? And when can we get that ice time?
They fit it in.
And the Black Bears were wonderful. They worked with us to set the whole thing up.
I gotcha.
So that's the kind of thing. We just play charity games here or there. Nothing special to raise money like this. We do this one just for someone in-house, either the fire department side or the police department side, whoever has a...
Can the public come out and
do this?
Yeah,
it's open to the public. All these games are always open to the public. We sell... We have, at certain times we have hats, shirts, jerseys if you want one. You just have to go to the Facebook page for AA County PD Hockey, and it'll pull up when those things pop up for sale. They do it 2-3 times a year for people to get stuff.
And there you knew that even was going on, and I'm living in the county for years and years. That's good.
It's fun. It's a good time. It's fun. It's a fun thing to do. If you like a little, say, in-county rivalry.
Sure. And you guys know each other from
showing
showing up on calls all the time.
We show up on calls. We play. A lot of us, our kids have played together. So this year, 2 of my kids played on the team. I know one of the fire department guys had one of his kids
on the hockey team.
On the hockey
youth
team.
league.
Yeah. So they all played together in the youth league. They then turn around. They played in the charity game.
And then the parents are together.
With the parents together playing again.
But that was a good time.
It was fun. It was all fun. It's fun for everybody, and that's the whole thing.
Win-win.
It's a win-win. The fire department this year they went a little over and made fun of us with the Dunkin' Donuts boxes, and it was kind of fun. So
gotcha.
Yeah, it was good. It was a good time.
Good. Scotty, we appreciate you coming in.
Yeah.
Spending a little bit of time with us.
No, thank you for inviting me. I'll get Mom down here, and we'll have fun with Mom. That's for sure.
Absolutely.
You know, she'll like it. She won't know what's going on, but we'll work that all.
Yeah, but she can talk from a homeowner's point and a woman's view of what goes on with the house. And,
yeah.
You know.
Yeah, it'd be good to hear because it's somebody that really doesn't know the drainage side to things, and someone who just needs stuff done, and this is the place to get it done.
Gotcha. Appreciate you, Scotty.
Yeah, not a problem. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week on another episode.